Hey everyone, it's Audrey, and since the holidays are right around the corner, I wanted to put together a video and share some outfits I put together, just of pieces I've thrifted and bought recently to wear for the season, so let's just get into it. The first outfit is centered around this soft velvet dress I found at the thrift store. I'm not sure if the color of the fabric is showing up correctly on camera, but it's sort of an icy blue color that felt very winter to me. It's a wrap style dress, which I love because it's really comfortable and adjustable. The hem ends right at the knees, but since it sort of cuts across the body, it does show a little bit of a leg as well. As for the back, it has an open detailing, which I tend to lean towards when it comes to dresses, just because I really like the way it looks. For me, this is a pretty fancy dress. I don't wear things like this often, so I wanted to tone that down a little bit and paired it with these silver boots from the brand Ray. These are dressy, but on the edgier side of the spectrum rather than girly and feminine. I just felt more comfortable wearing these with this dress as opposed to heels. Jewelry, I just left my earrings that I wear all the time, simple studs and hoops, and then added an ornate silver choker to match my shoes, and the rings that I pretty much wear every day. The next outfit starts with a little black dress from the brand Lost and Lunar. They sent this to me and I actually wore it for Thanksgiving with my family, but I'm definitely going to rewear it because I think it's cute. It's a very sweet looking dress with the ruffling along the arms, chest, sleeves, and hemline. I went simple with my shoes. These are actually really old velvet black booties that I've had forever. A little bit of a heel with a rounded toe so they don't squish your toes. Definitely a closet staple for me since I wear a lot of black. Jewelry, I went with a couple of dainty necklaces to go with the vibe I was feeling. I also did a little half up fishtail braid because I think the right hairstyle adds to an outfit. Lastly, because it still didn't feel holiday enough for me, I put on this faux fur coat I got from the brand Some Days Lovin' last year. It's one of my favorite brands. The pop of red also felt more festive, so I just went with it. Moving on, this outfit is super casual. I found this pattern crewneck sweater at the thrift store, and it reminded me of one of those ugly Christmas sweaters you wear to holiday parties. But I thought that it was nice, and I liked that it was this blue, green, teal color instead of the traditional Christmas colors. Keeping it really laid back, I paired it with high-waisted jeans from American Eagle. When I got these, I also had a broken heart patch sewn on the back pocket to customize them, so they're my favorite pair right now. And then for shoes, I went with Doc Marten boots I also thrifted. I'd probably wear this to a more low-key gathering or just hanging out with my family and friends. The last outfit I put together with New Year's Eve in mind. It's very sparkly and shiny with a ton of patterns. Just dressy and over the top, but I think that New Year's or any type of celebration really is the perfect time to try out a metallic or glittery anything, so why not? I found this embellished top at the thrift store and it really caught my eye with all the metallic beading. I love that this just fits like the perfect t-shirt with the neckline and the short sleeves, but has kind of a vintage look to it with all the embellishments. On bottom, I went with this high-waisted skirt that I wore in my fall lookbook, if you've watched that already. I thought the metallic paisley design also complemented the design on my top, and since I was going all out with patterns, I also went with patterned tights that I believe I got at Target. My heels are also from Target. I opted for simple, open-toed block heels since my outfit was kind of bold. Lastly, jewelry. I put on some big hoop earrings since I decided not to wear a necklace. The top was already sparkly enough that I thought it would be too much with one. Bracelets, I mixed my metals and put on some bangles from the brand Alex and Annie in gold and rose gold. And my rings are the same rings in my previous outfits. And that's going to be all the outfits. I hope you enjoyed watching and seeing how I put some of these holiday looks together. I'd love to know if you have a favorite or if you like videos like this in the comments down below. Thank you so much for watching, as always, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!